But
Yeah.
the one thing here I would say is that Paul's management of both his staff probably, and how he manages his staff, is good. And Colin just, I know at the start he was a parlour man.
Oh, very much so.
And I remember him coming to the training at English, and he was a totally changed man. He was all excited about robot.
Yeah.
And yet, how long has he milked in parlours for? 30 plus years maybe.
Yeah, that is
So
right.
Colin really has took on to them.
And I said, like as I say, it's a nice work. Like robots are only as much as what you take from them. You, like in the morning, for example, parlour routine was you straight into parlour milking cows. Now you'll come out here in the morning, you're into the computer. You could sit half an hour. You could even sit, tell you the truth, an hour sometimes if you're sad enough to stay on them. But you could just spend so much time looking at details, figures, rest, feed. The first year, for example, when we put the robots in, I got a knee replacement done, and I was out of action for about 4 weeks badly, that I wasn't able to do much. And we were only into the robots that year. And from that, I was able to, from the house, through my phone, I had been able to tell the boys to look about a cow, because I near swear she was lame.